Sompa TV ne Sompa Radio. Ye chiachi amunyina anopei. Chia kesi a ye di free eye Kenoga Herbal Clinic aso ya ye de bro. Ni nyina ne se ne ye besua bibi kakra afa yare e friend ulcer. Eye peptic ulcer ni go ahodo bebre. Nanso answer no me pachopi Dr. Atanasi anopei a wo hwa yarefo. Eti mesrese obebo modern no age number no friend is CA answer na bia adwumadi no kra ya to aso. But modern friend was 020
020 20 40 053
and I say 027
83 73 018
me patcho friend Dr. Cecilia ye kira kwan no so eye espresso adeja udu espresso ophelia junction taxi rank bi o there from taxi ni bi na catch am say me ko adeja na Messi Sakura junction upeja wadim tenten so abehunu Kenoga Herbal Clinic ho ne yaso ye ewo me patcho pi yare bi o hono a ewo ye yefunu mu ana se ye nsunu mu a che se edi anya pa ye friend ulcer na ulcer ni wo mu ahodo bebre bi obetimi atowo na ho ba we ye yefunu mu dia ulcer eho asem anankomo twetwe ne ye ba bedi peptic ulcer na peptic ulcer no ye aboa bi ana se germs ana bacteria bi a ye friend H pylori na H pylori no otimi fa nsu a ye nom bia nsu no nhye denye clean water eno no se etimi ma wo enya ulcer yare ana se bia contaminated drink drink bia ye tie no mo utimi se ya spy ana se drink no utimi se taste kura sesa free ne natural no mo se ne yesetie me patcho no se etimi me enya ulcer afi so kwan a ye fa so didie baby edidi na ho nte a me patcho eno so so nuane no ho nte kodi padua no mu a etimi ma wokonya yare a ye frɛ no ulcer na afi se bacteria ne betena mo betimi atena mo be emfie miensa na che se abo etimu wa bra wonim nti e be wewe wo yam no kakra me ba form se ni ame ma me ne papa no betima se anopɛ ene se ye funu na wo ho no bibi katemu meka ne se ete se net kata wo yam no nti ye no na aduane ne beto wo ye funu no mu a na broni fre bibi e fre no acid eti sa acidic no eyi nsu e woni padua ma na se kan ni padua no a ano o hye pa yie ti e ba no na e be ya ma aduane ne wo yam na afi atwenua no no de abre wo moja na ma ahoden na afi enuane no de e be ye waste se bi de enhia wo di padua no mu no eno no mom afa wo ba bi aba abesene ayeden akọ na acid ne ba na se moa no ye H pylori ye wo yefununum no o ma wewe sa net no a kata wo yefununum a acid na eche se ebe ye adwuma anane aduane no afi na no ebe wewe ni padua no enti ewe ni padua ne se ya na eche se aba be ye kuro ebe ye kuro dia udi mekoko ni padua no mu ana ye wo ya afi udi spicy food bia kakra bia na ye wo ya ti basi ana ama wo bo ano se no ehyehye wo pa yie ene na obi didi wi o se menya heartburn obu afi na ne yefunu ni bufa so se ya odidi kakra bi afi na esa yen se on throughout opese o sa afi kakra na ne bofono no e basi etimi ma wachi bremo anase wachi kasa etimi be ye wo ya pa efi se ye H pylori na betena wo mu acha wodidi eye wonam na anase onsono ni nyina no eti e basa na ebe ye kuro eda wonsono no mu anase wo yefunu ne ye fe no peptic ulcer eno mpacha abasi atutumrika fa woni kire Kenoga Herbal Clinic Kenoga Herbal Clinic ya sie no espresso adeja me pacha opi me say se frey was 020 40 053 and I say 027 83 73 018 shenin so say yaso ye no me say ewo espresso adeja
that's right
espresso adeja uye obi a wonum cigarette bebra shenin so say me pa duru ba bia obenya o how kese pa afrimu sa so na wonum nsanso bebra eno so be mo nya eye yare a eye peptic ulcer ya meka ho asemu me pa chopi abusua se sa ne ma we ni nyina broni beka say everything too much is bad se wo experience sa ulcer yare ya tutumrika bra ya so ye de nobna hahama enua ano onam ano ohyepa yie ye de betu ase ekra afiri ama wonye wa yaresa ene ofa ahodie eda nche so eframa ye home enuane a ye di ko ye mu nyina no ye brebo anasa ye sabo ye kidney ni liver ene na eboa eso ne sa ne ma no so nyina eyi efin bi eba ni padua no efiri wo na aboa atimi amo ahoden se koba se eye ulcer yare yi hawa eno so timi kan wo bi ma obrebo ana wo sabo no eso so ebe yemre e basa na chese kidney failure ene no so ebe na chese uko hospital kesi me ye konfa no chia chese agese do ko to da me pachopi Kenoga Herbal Clinic say ye kidney failure oba ye tu ase free hono sa so na ye liver problem ye tu ase so e de free hono e de ama na say won say wo da sorry ano oni achi apagya ube hu say wo na ase so apagya me pacho eno so yare e friend sichire yare e diabetes eno sunsun so aso no sa na ebitie ube hu say na say won sa no femfem opa yi sa so na wo na no so efemfem me pacho basi ya tutumrike fa woni kire Kenoga Herbal Clinic ye boane to diabetes yare no ase e de free wo kra sa so na bema wo konsie ni a wo pem a empem.
It's not just about that, but you know the assurance. But that was cynical.
Ukotie na wuntimi messe ema ye nhunu de ekoso de a oba no de bia no no awaduane a Chelsea train esronko ubeu se form no sonko oba na eja wabufuo se wa hyeda to Chelsea fefefe kama yemfa siesie dadi na so so eba na chese ohaw asomdue enifie oba wubu wonsa eni bosome na wasa ehunu eye emoja no animbie mepacho tutumrika efa woni kire Kenoga Herbal Clinic ya so ye ne enkommoa ne emoa wo pa sa so no infertility bema wo pa wo oba wo pa wo wanante abre wo chinchini bebre wa bemukura ebu mepacho nyanka echi fa woni kire Kenoga Herbal Clinic ya so ye na ye moa wo soronko kra sa so na afa dwodwo yare me wasem bia metai kan se metamfo krampo no men domene se onya dwodwo yare last 3 days ya which is Sunday last Sunday ya awodwo run about one mo am chese me no yonko bi gina one side aye di nkomo kakra ye be wan se ovan ba ko chese ifri Atenga Junction which is a Sokoban car na dru eye Lawson TV animu wa ba bi omoton car sa ye de nchense dan etwa ho ahia otimi so mo ye project bi wo ho me wan so mo hurihuri free car ni mu esi nurse ni kura te car ni bi no so ahurasi we free front no ahurasi eni edim rika rush ko because ye hunu de ekoso afi be hu se car no guy na tias later no so more de akohwe chance dan no mu don't know we say guy no or call off stroke yare jojo yare na chese attacking that very moment no ni nyina ne say e mema titiru kura ye nimre ne adaje ma ye ho ye sorry a ye car ye timi check oil ye check sensuo wo mu check tires ehun se tie ni bibia ye okay ni a movie car no na so mema ye nyamre ne adaje nko hospital enko ye checkups eti e ba say na yare ne ba putuprum na abo apia oprekope me pachopi Kenoga Herbal Clinic ya so en oba ye benya abotre ne diagnose labs bia was ye run bia be run no labs ni nyina senior ye behunu se o de ulcer ne baaye ana se bia o de dwodwo yare ne baaye na so yare we so boboba na chese doctor na otafrija oda Kenoga Herbal Clinic ya so ya no nyame be fa ne so na wo so wanya wa yare sa enche kra be sorry so no me pacho safre it was 020
020
20
40
053 This is Subiema 020
20
40
053
and I say 027
83 73 018
Fred Doctor Sisia watana say oye adwuma ye adwuma free nonsia ekopim nonsia from Monday to Saturday Nyamishra ahwefo ene ye tiefa ye Sompa 93.1 Kenoga Herbal Clinic espresso adeja Nyamishra ye nyina ye damase.
Yes, you da pa. Enjoy your day to the max.
Thank you so
much. Okay. Yeah, twa dwumadie so sesia na sane me kan no me ne honorable Eugene Antwi ana ebetwetwe enkomo na ni so ade hunu botai ntia opese oye general secretary ema NPP na yeni nkomo ena no pe ya eno ntino honorable Eugene Antwi ena anope me ne no hey kulo nyame adom trase na bibia ankoso kama honorable akwaba me who watch it Sompa FM and I flight when they say Yeah. So we be able to call there.
Oh, nyame adom
Yeah, nobody has.
also
Me so me ho ye pa.
mama na papa bi asa
Aye.
eti na me come ekuru ma
But yo priya kakra na ebe mic na mami.
okay.
Aha, microphone so me aso be so green. Aso. Ano no. Okay.
Producer ni
Aye.
na me mata ba ha pa
Oh, me you know.
da na we wan me hu no
Who agozi aso.
there oh I was say ni no
Me no producers. Aye.
what number ha
What me do mu nyina wa. Oh, we nyina producers. Me Ghana have Ghana more producers mienu a beautiful woman.
time bia mama ba ha pa
Baba from nom di mirikeba. But you try hammer it. Almost say if you obeboa me. Na be bia come up. Okay. Honorable Eugene Chi atrase ye ntwetwe nkomo. Ehu hia. Na MPP amanyokuo. Mo ho te say.
oh nyame adom I would say yes party bi akọ elections bi na yedi kugo we di bi ache yi but this I guess open kugo bi say I guess ko First Republic kwame kuma pe so mama fa ekwan so nche tifo
Okay.
omo itie omo hwe anopai ebe pie so mpa ha eche obi a titu eche santimera 2472 so minu na manhwe mano and na brempom party mpemfo more region mo so tie so me chia the constituency subing constituency for so chia mi na
Okay.
omo a so me enfie mo twa bi constituency no mo ye adwuma e ma party mo mani na pa to chia obi a na me chia Sompa for so manhwe so no kru producers ene papa ya ode funa so mo so hwe me nti we ba no pe e ba no nsem
Yeah, ni anje say.
yeah
Oh, bye.
you say you are going through the process of rebuilding
Okay.
who we die no ntina ama
Sompa FM.
na ya bra ya sorry say da hwe na ya partner si ni china bra e bi e ka ko mo hwe me anti asem
No one tells them there. Okay. It's been a former member of parliament, a former deputy minister, works and housing. There also here Ade Boa Oman Ghana or there also here the Boa party or here. Honorable Eugene Entry. Obi Babusa say DNT, the DNA wuhunu ye after your defeat. Remember what you said there be. Party na share ya your friend the general secretary. Me gidi say Emredu say Madam ho di na de metumi ayama part na fa nto ma pefra no ho me kosomu a metumi aboa. Why should people give you the chance to serve the New Patriotic Party at a position of general secretary?
I think sir we share a party here the gidi se busa say one na ye NLM and our Progress United Party chairman Kwame Obeka.
Yeah.
Progress Party unkai. Even PFP kra unkai.
PFP crowd. Ye ba general secretary so.
Because you want to see general secretary now.
That's right. That's right.
Party aku share steering committee national council. You may all party will be soon as. In so you be a administrator. I will catch you with a general secretary, no lawyer for Juma. Administrators at Juma.
That's right.
Yes, lawyer for the court.
Go there court
But
go do.
1% who manage BDA give to administrator. On her structures, on her organizational structures, setups. Number the say a system for efficiency, a system for way, operationalization, efficiency. This are a typical administrative role. And the field say, no, my training has been in administration.
Oh, okay.
And even my first position in the party was a secretary at PP UK.
UK, yeah. I know Pename can once.
So a committee be at TV to be a 2014 National Council Committee Electoral Reforms Committee that about me chairman and I'm the secretary. And the committees are at your party in Africa, I call Parliament so Asante Caucus. Asante Michael Koso.
Una na secretary. Oh, okay. Now the secretary do achi. Because administratively no omunim say you have it.
Yes. The time I to abawi ya kugu kesi ba no. And a party paying for be ne kasa. People be we fair na frontline politics for 30 years. My name Miketuna Dos. You may know I be a mammy with maybe MP 210
Sompa FM.
Who's my to us? I didn't want to make a sign said there be. I'm this is the stager party will be yummy. Because of my experience, I mean, you know, working inside the party, working in parliament, working in government, see all the layers, no. You know, the age is so bad because they say when you are party now, on your penny, auntie, who be a casa,
Ujina baby, I be.
You never cast over them because we are Monsieur Mamma Qualam, you know, tea. The Bible soon be me and sign a consultation. And tea, a small proper in the cashier, he said, a hate table plan is a wound fear what you use in your politics for a frontline you are. A near partner of a catcher me, and only a pin me. And I'm so okay. And you're never soon. Yeah, any party be Casa and pay for. You know, inside, outside the party, former ministers, you know, former party officers. No, me na can say, look, at the end of the 7 I meet my baby H nano, and I same be so a two or many. Oh, okay. Yo, that's right. Mike. Hello, almost I saw green. I saw. Okay. You're low balls. Yeah, if you want to make a sign, I'm okay. You don't feel 7 years, and I'm say okay, fine. You might wait. If you visit my home in Biaka, you might say there, but visit my home in Biaka. Into number 1, how to strengthen our structures. You know, your structures in the constitution, youth wing, and one women's wing, one, but how efficient are they? So they are saying, very for now, because I buy a back or 2, Yamea Doma 2028, you know, and Mebuna Betua about Ghana, only 70%. A year under 40. Into we first of all, her, immediately modio son, a year, Nipa. Ghana for money 40 years, only in fear Diamine, and about only those I got to Abano. Yes. Yes. So you swing and when no woman's swinging, yeah, whose election will lose. What I say, will be baby, I will lose. Oh, now, you decided, sir, as I share last election now. I say Ghana, Mabuno Dona Kudi, main opponents. I attractive change dear. TDNT I'm Nabasa. What I say, you'll be kind and send a Mebunu officer CB almost a young man, I strategy. Some could be 60 and be youthful, somebody could be 40 and be older. What I say, how you connect with Sancrophone and which is so you make sure say sky because we are party, member who be 1% me. If you be so by a party officer, it be a constituency level. Now, no, me cover me say so more quay, a say constituency of Sabia me to 1,000 cities. Now, police station for them to 30 cities. Now, coordinators into 300 cities. Then put on they say opposition. Says cannot go for free. Like I said, I can't so. What they are saying because who's a constituency I did that. Nipa omu na no se be music abran so omo na time bia ti obekwa yi say yi no makomaku num ana menu kura boso me 2000 I say spend any kwa say this sa asudi ni ko to sankofo no so okay party no na say pesca masankofo no e de omo adwuma o de say me samba ko baba me ko anim technology ye tie adentie MPP ye ni a database a link to all our overseas branches and all our constituency secretaries, all our constituency secretariats. Party I attend in Party I attend 33 years, sir. Yeko.
and my women in 19 can once technology must play a role. And no chase so. Party no in Kaboom, and the member fan one time. One is Sikasem. Ocean last 2023, almost 2 about me presidential candidate. Only 203,000. Only a delegate so. And none can some they are members as well as delegates. But members no more. You trouble Ghana ha. You get 4 million, 6 million votes. You must sign a member. At least let's say 1 million with me members.
They of good standing.
More database so.
I got to about himself 1 million bidaho.
Yes. Some of be trade deals. If 203,000, so you deals who found modestly because we'll be according to 6 cities.
A month.
Amount 1.2 million. If you are being me, Busumi bed your Busumi no pay seeing his country staff for headquarters. And we go social media and of work on. Now you who be Ubus as well say no correct.
How?
Yes, a Kania, America, a Kania, yes, any credit, a party office.
Our headquarters.
Yes, it's a way in social media, MPP.
Very embarrassing.
A social media, yes, my kind when one can say, you go. Nanti, Sabe, who manager also Pahano. Onim Kania Soton, Kania Musun a day. Onim staff is so Chomo Cabos, we overheads Onim.
Overhead costs.
Can't say to Abu within the cancer, but the party was Shango for being sat. In the book, I said, I think of woman say, what you are, who monthly overheads. I so meeting. And now, Sabe, elections all quite a fragrance here. Umutu now that year.
And no correct.
It's the other thing I tell man, I do affairs. Your party, you do scholarship, and your party be asked because we are here. Omanhene Yaw. Number 1, membership dues. The could be a Jamaican dues na yenti and to be bar. Remember, membership dues. 2, donations. Say be a Tiona contract to be a briska and our party pay be a briska. Number 3, bank loans. You say Ghana, bank be enemy say MPP, beba, NDC beba, or the facing fee or fee na any on beba. In the bank loans. You the party no. And a number the chat war, the chat war, levies. And I go for the buy. One 5,000 appointments. Inti obi cabinet minister be say party inti be this car. You levy no. What over here? And conform one pay that for you sue omo. The honor tenure no. What you say? Sanko for no almost have be minister. Omo makra be post. I didn't sanko for levy omo. What you say? Me call deputy minister. I didn't me to be party to me levy me.
Because you are benefited.
Of course.
So you should contribute.
Because deputy minister to me bibia. Obi a chebe bibi. Let's be fair to ourselves.
CEOs, board chairs.
Ever make amunyina. It's identity na wo nya ne sa. Na wo pese. Wo yese ye kotoaba. Na presidential candidate will make 4 million. National candidate you respect it. But going forward, we shouldn't do that. Ekobia is owned by the members. Ekobia anyone. Me you na JB Dankwa. O can say be be quote to the year. In 1954, JB Dankwa wrote a letter, 22nd July. And the command a party is a general secretary that Ghana Congress Party. Only na account be UP no. First can you said we go to 4 million, we go to 4 million. And a JB Dankwa a true letter. You know na JB Dankwa a true letter command that a party secretary friend Saki Sheikh. Go for you no Ghana ni or a Hanteni no a Takra the MP Buzi time. Saki Sheikh on regional secretary 54 Ghana Congress Party. As one of the JB Dankwa kind say me kutu no apuba me. Or say I have never believed that we can build our party's financial position on the basis of compulsory levy on the field. 72 years maybe.
Also, on you say, on mine a party no bet me a gina brand was Sikasemu. A brand new packet 12 in a year, 12 free or more.
As far as JB Dankwa 1954,
72 years.
And only a team. And then will be co-president with 4 million. There be the party must be owned by the members. Side the party with 4 million we Omanhene. No we na yini we no say opeska be campaign no we officer party en there on abumuka e don't know mutim your friends and family appointments me ex girlfriend me yere me we work for say it no mo ya ntimi nka no we mo no ko opeska be party no na party ben
the obre no di
yes party ben abit manage ni sen what you say it is straight away no as a party na akasa ehu kwa say we member we constituency polling station officer we coordinator we constituency executive for two dues in the mouth to me e mo tibi kasa was obi say the dues na ye ko ne dia obi ti me president on fe ko no mo no bo say dem pe na me ye
okay
what you say e say do e bia e ko ne begu wo musika sa mo nye
ti di odisika be balance on e otumi
sa
on e tumi kasa
but party no so chen nipa bia nipa num akoi party so chen mu nyina de also wo so chen party no onko je independent candidate kan we go to benya
emfa
eti party na nipa to aba no
enye ni
party no na nipa to aba enye ni wudi pa no wodi ani mu ye candidate adi party ko ko akansi
ene jo mama
so MPP ni bia beto be MPP ni bia ko MPP ni bia beto be di ani mu akọ e ma party na win election
okay
na bia wo de wanya ehun kwa bi se wo hu ska ne wo be hu amane ba no nche se party ne wo de a
so free party ni mu de ene
yes the ko ye nua pa yin alanche mate ko ni pe do nya san
35,000
ko MPP de ko be nya sa
ko be nya be 5 or 6 billion
yes it is a party na ni pa so no nye ni pa na obidi party na nim no any mistake a party ne ye ene eja party sa na eno ma ese mu party man mo ye no mu nya mo nye umbeso be trade deals umbeso be we eti party ba power pe na ni party say me na mkopa mbusi ade ba power eti ho ya appointments obi enti nkasa me ya me madu number eji no secretary say mo be twa obi enti deals party nyina ya dia ene party general secretary nkotena se no ncho letter ko obi a ku for appoint onyi database data na ho so obi a me trace ka we a cabinet minister e bia 1 million Ghana cedis we a deputy minister I be try ebia whatever 50,000 whatever I be or omka se bi omuniska omutwa imo bie ntwa bi agency head bi or chain a cabinet minister
yes
GMPC boss gapoha omadi pozo nyam twa ska ne bi na nya de party na mo be tranche na yi flag bearer ni mo so ska come go fie so I want to say na party ni ska ho bi da say ekosoko party ne say di park won ntu so chen sra je kosoko say di pa no flag bearer no so chen party say kosoko ma na ye no and no my say party agwe koso it is a me to what ma make sure what you do sir now your database of membership a di president pa appointment on consult party
go nim say nipa we no ma contribute
yes
and a proof no any data no okay
these are some of the things that is sick as 7 account says sika say the book consultancy be every month says sika consultancy be a maniska say the be ya ono officer na oye adwuma consultancy num no on high say if am ko nyeska na say wenti na we da bi time bi asa bosumi bi a say ma consultancy bi eska sa dues ya yegina dey run consultancies no was 1.2 million Ghana cedis a month is a lot of money and 150 million Ghana cedis every month every year nyeska ketwa what you say e no we nyina nye nti amanyuko ekuo na da so win munyi ko ne fi so because amanyuko ekuo bia so the 2 and ekuo bia that is number 1. Number 2, when I want to move on to talk about if I say structure is strengthening in training and empowerment. Training no the ubite sabi as a marketer what on in tools. O ko na ba so my police station chairperson e wo be. In tools no to onu no ma na ho bibia. Do ko fa so the fancy bi
na onyanti ase.
No nyanti ase ade o ba ba ye.
E wa juma so na o dey
because let them get the hang of it. What you say of what is it that they are about to do on training no and the answer you be to baby na e bia one police go be bia na unni e ba go to tro or taking kan ho no go food be free abontin na ba be all these things you know man going forward no as here say every police station in pa be mienu bia umti tro taking kan wa dey yi na no e ko wi abato so ya tro ya kinkan
no I'm sure you are na akofa nsam bia ba
sa it going for near no man say it and resources no and say more musica more to be say training no and that's how you grow a party what about subia me buy o man na wo form no o man na be coordinators o man be na ba constituency obi go fi ba bia ma wo nipa de wo na o mo modern bo and na o mo graduate that's how you grow any serious party so we experience o the free from the basro and unity eso ade hia me pa je say no a Omanhene Yaw Akufo-Addo friend. Wa friend. But Ade Akye Abia my community wants someone since I'm decided to be general secretary. I'm starting to want him. Obi pe obi na hadrion. By a party talks about creating factionalism or discord. And here misconduct.
Creating factionalism.
Creation of discord. Or fractionalism. And no a misconduct. Because the moment I saw poor, then you start,
attacking
others.
The factionalism na be ya there. See answer there. Mo party no. Baby am abegine. I am happy say in your quest to be a general secretary no. Maintain baby ebia etwema. Maintain baby mo bi nka say Eugene the Otawe. Maintain.
I'll get there.
I think say a idea national to constituency or my fairly party no. National executive ne ne kasa ma hu se wo gina ha. Constituency gina ha. Electoral area coordinator gina ha. Police station. How didn't was say executives are more form the nucleus of party a mo promote to niema no. Wo mom akogina nkrofo achi. Obi on ma wo be call no na 17 as a 14 executives no. 6 wa ha, 7 wa ha. Eti aspirant be ba e was send you receive no. Maintain say how are you able to do that? Because definitely you are a human being. It will be a preference and a choice. But MPA and Neddy. So obi nim say maybe somebody should tell me. What problem you maintain? But national executives are openly declaring regional chairman.
Oman what can be? We are Bible class me ya bofra no. Na me ye no masa bofra. Unyina. Me na me used to be MP na obi say be Akufo-Addo. But if you say MP, yes, be MP. And same way me constituency from people we breed man hadrin. Especially me chairman. And then me come obi ate. I'm quite me last meeting. You two constituency na nyɛ nim say baby e kɔ no. Ye yempanyim for party no. Asem bia ba, ibi ma fra wo chairman say bra betrem. Ana wo MP bra betrem. Enti ye mani pa e kɔ no. Obi akɔkana sɛm.
Obi ango gina obi.
Wo de open na mane wo akom na ye campaign of forma no. Be nyina badwam enyina simpie so. Enka nkyere obi say kɔtɔ ba ma we. Ana me de me wo we afa. Because ona papa mu satire ba no. Enti e kono nipa na enye. Wo ye party adwuma bi wa na.
The Onya squad the obehwe mienu.
Yes. Enti you see and o kan nipa be bring ti ase. We are regional chairman. We you do echi. We are national chairman. Just get we do echi. Asan ba wana beka. Meme tuwe. Ba umia me na ye more closely 2014. I'm na committee and national council tier. Electoral reform committee or a chairman, me and a secretary. With some Makukwe ka ho, national chairman Makmenu ka ho, man be a friend Charles Abunana Moses Uzudi honorable Canada Ponchi. No so ka ho or a lawyer. Matu Poko Prempe ka ho, Adwasa fo ka ho. Ye na committee no. It mean about me more closely. The chairman and secretary they move together. Yes, or be vice president. It mean na ye minim no. Minimum me such a parliament.
Yeah, I do chum.
Canada or Japan.
That's right.
Ya was here do chum.
Okay.
Brian Champo. No mun natural parliament if you want to. Who now about doing one as actually. Obli se come Japan. Mini na Kumasi the same international school international only in a common trans. Or no conference me ko poku are. Or no. Eti e papa so lawyers and judges. Eti me no mun nyina relationship. Mako omunyina fie mako mo officers o ti ase me ni bibia ti obi a me
a bar party no
a bar I belong to the tradition. I belong to the new patriotic party, not to any faction. It's more easy. Udu be a kasa ebu ho. Unmisa unyi bibia ti anu kasa ntia no. Me pese ma bibi na bedu ya skwa be chia aso ho ntia me. O ti ase
enu ase wo mo chia pictures na ba no.
Me de
animu na
eye enu ma bia ya hwe ne ye. Wo ba ye panyi pe e de asemo so. And the first time I talk about party, and now you and him, me na me one for the chairman. And a year then. What I say, 80 she party no party ne ma wo ye chairman party ne ma wo ye secretary enye nipa it wa ma ye party adwuma no anya ma party na nko power de we ni na nko power ya nko power yi e na ye free mu
Obi atifi.
yes ye party adwuma na busu awo ye it is a party na so ye mu adwuma yi o ti ase because party ne ma wo ye chairman so the party ni wa adwuma be na akwa ye etie no ne nsema na ye ka che mo say moma ye no mu nyina obi abo animu a be fair to the person be pleasant to the person ye trouble ni wi a do benya bia no nke so oni vote me tie say abadma to be me to abadma to be and then we free so we adwuma we be smarte we free so we adwuma we smarte one ma so akodi na chi me no obi achi me ye even me ye MP kura obi no ba be constituency Kreja pon di kan be na me ho that dey na mo subi na mo kuma se manko ba me abai mensi ho chemate ba manko enso abana se betubi o de ase because me ko jina ye dey na me ko jina se na me na so na ye den
Nipa no adwene ne kasakra.
e be ye den e be wi ase no e de o how no ye ne be bre wo no constituency fo nyina eti mesre say baby e du no ye kasa so a ye na mo ye kan ye na din kabo ni be ba wo me kai in Corona war party no way war more after 79 wo muntie your party 1979 imu che
Yeah.
party call congress we ko yi me nana asene I don't take the share Victor Usu and a FIFA no so that one from head of state or resource network on ko TUNC don't go far power be there and a party started a 10 year back and anya ni po twa de ka se twitwi ba anya no na omo koto odwan adago no bi dware ni fita e the UNC college send go no kom any chedi ahemfie park na da ho no only a final rally PFP the Pauli ni odwan no mo twe no chidi abonte so a chibo bua kwa asem na make yo omo twe na abonte so the rally na the Pauli no o yo odwan
PFP for na yes sir.
PFP for
You
really na o che hina himfie park na 7 na no e 2 for buy na do buy no 2 for call yi that park na so opposite ofori panyi fie e no e rally e no odwan ni gina na college ne gunu kom Pauli no iwe ya na Pauli so ye rally o chebi no ko e ba kon oda ye ko to aba no first round there wasn't an outright winner.
That's right.
Na Liman di animu na Victor aba na UNC e ko na fe ye ko first say ye ko stre Pauli say
Odwan no
odwan no say on fa
de mo ko stre odwan
yeah so odwan fa the boot make
e make ni pa
obi Pauli obi ko bi aro tira so pe say no no ofa jame do ko smart e ri yambe oh yes beka be na wo twa say na oje that time graphic times spectator mirror oje sapi person ya no full page so obi akotro mama Liman
asa
and the ma Pauli be council of state and the Liman presidency ma so ya rumina ko nya post UNC for MPs ko nya post eti e hu bi pen empefo o mu test America nyom nyina nim de ko so nkora de o mu nim ti nkora de sometimes you can forgive them but you have to teach them media come in some obi ameko bi as America say your party e hu bi da e bi ko ba ko to the first na ye nya outright winner how do them go and form an alliance
kasa o ka kire no
with sankrofo
e de na akọ friend so o meta wachi
eti ye bia no must be measured because who feel where you so ha no we so name so ha no feel so no feel say ngana ko ti akwa o ya was okay mate on feel wo na bia miru mi se be ko gang up etiawo na bia de wo na ball in 2007 this in Legon say you are you paying alanche maten enya akoma parokas yen ko second round anything could have happened
yeah
what you say but say alliance be koso kakra be sere ne say e party no e ade baako yen ko hwe sento Omanhene
ngo yo sro abofu
yen ko hwe angel ye go yi nipa bia so ho wasem ba me ho wasem Kreja pon ho wasem bre champion ho wasem educhu ho wasem Kreja pon ho wasem ba nyenye adwuma no eri o mu nyame yenye adwuma no se yenko yi kandifo a obedi party nanim edwuma party no dia share
a obeti ma gi tumi amamu
amayen Ghana fo beji na tumi yenko a ene so wayi na wie edwuma kase na ne 7th of January, 7th of December 2028.
Ghana for.
Say Ghana for in Abidjan tomb. And no was sudi also. And no kind when you know show social media. Now no it's Samia Uku or actual about former station or Kesben. No find X. Second Japan say people should find X. Now I yes watch them Auku. Oh we ya na go for wabon. We wodim hwe say wabon. Na Auku na so a potential minister. Yes. So we ba a potential minister. E na wo so aso mu e say kan afred oben former boss former baby any MP so also can be ja no e kron for the time and a boss when you show social media we say e kese you draw
nti mo am party for no apart from Benin for no kwa no wo ye potential people on be boa no mu gu o mu fi
na o kire bi se me akoto aba na MPP awini
now command
na sign for na koye minister no ko vetting na NDC for boss ade na kire na we MPP ni how would you feel nti mesre because me care be check me anopa bia me sore ntem ti go on social media and scan all the messages there obi o say be on MPP ni. Well, that is not there. These are not the founding principles of our fathers. And yet we are saying, and yet you couldn't sanity. Say one more ya. No one also be a man say one. Can I say Obia? Tesco Obia no Mugati.
Jaiti fita.
Obi met my work as some of watch them. But I don't think I am on Kurana. You must say, painful. Any cheater for. Emi de say no, my pay that should not know. The here any say be nipa wait to be to my party. Abesum Ghana for. Ye nyina ade ba ko. Nye nyai na titwa kasa twitwie ekuti abono ye nyai sa no ma no. So that's not the way to build any party. In some way can na be share unity na the end o. We just to we na feel be hwe de wo ka kire me. And na me ka kire wo. Ti be sere. That's the bit on unity.
Obo mabunu ene ma. Which is very crucial in our dispensation now. Last election, I saw something. Na mene memranche dinkumo. The NDC was more visible than MPP, even though the MPP was in power. Ewo kwambenso. Their T-shirts, their paraphernalias, and they were not so much billboards, but you could see NDC. No more T-shirts and brew 50 different ones. Now, before Babiana, Babunu, only anything about NDC Bawa T-shirt at your mama when you move, and NDC colors. And they did it so beautiful, say. Na a year, a Mebuno, a condo, so Mobeshe. Ushia Ma, almost NDC T-shirt, so bold that some years back, Ashanti region, Granka Uhubi. And it reflected in the election, NDC winning 35%. Unprecedented, almost 7 to 8 seats.
Sompa FM.
Oh, Hanomo. What would you change? There now be to me a yeah. Mebruno, because generally today NDC looks more attractive even on social media in the physical. Ewo Mebruno. The policies, just removing betting tax. Obi Honoma. Betting tax free ho. Whether bet you and you or my parent your mama say me you or buy away you no cranty. A bebru bianya, I want to so anymore. Dear now, be yeah, as General Secretary, I just say day-to-day administration shall answer. Structures waka say youth, any women form 70% in going to elections. Political parties to win power. So when to me and capture one more. Not just say you are
right. 70. What the woman become because say women be a part of youth, but women on bro 40 no become one.
Or become one say okobe 80%.
Okobe 75.
What do you have for the youth and the women?
I think say policies. There were some policies obnoxious policies introduced here whilst we're in government. Yes, Shemuka. I was in parliament. E-levy amwayen. Betting tax amwayen. And until I even hear about me, I 2024 no kai UPS February 2024 kai. So that's the number land them in the Tieno. So Bobby e-levy free ho.
Hey, betting tax free ho.
Yes. 80 policies no na makano MPP. Now we have a conference. The conference is called a constitutional amendment. You don't even go to discuss policy. What I say? Policy na many part of our and your constitutional amendment. Amendment here, but policy no. Now no social conservative for last 2 weeks. On Manchester. Leader was talking about policies, how to tackle immigration, how to tackle stamp duty, how to and none policies not all can. And man go say, oh, yeah, 2 about or 1 more way.
Obey.
Then they're gonna professor the 2. And now say we don't test these policies on the party or at party conferences. And nothing the bar here popular. E-levy was one such bad policy. And why you can't say me na Ghana focus I ain't so wa be be but no be dey no ya Ghana for what I say e kotia betting tax now we are na me hwe TikTok hibi this is be on the TikTok so and the NDC mabru they were organized TikTok platforms no create here so WhatsApp platforms no create e do won we be a yes we obi ko ka bi a show mu omo cross sharing of messages
No mu jagum
boy they say I me ma go to university we mo say adwuma ni ho kotode ha say bon ma kota koto ise koto be she tu na koto she tu na me nya me sika crown so ultimate tax
Sompa FM.
and mo we do nya tonko futim
Yeah.
na sa policies we say test on the party because here we hear conference conference executives in about regional executives ho national executives party pray for you na MPs former MPs omo nyina gu dem ho it do the policy be balance say gitu mo ho that mean say omo na dey call for makoto
Oma ko din kunkomo.
now by policy or parliament na go for e-levy ba na me consulting chairman nim e-levy ho hwe me coordinators nim e-levy ho hwe consulting executives nim ho na ma me banam no me transfer ma me teach man chodo man don't tell come tell say e be no makoton say because asana by see of form ngeta bia na me no form me teach ni pa no enu tie ye one police station executive be bia say omo kwese adwuma you understand it is more way no ma me as general secretary no yame ya adum na the party chairman sir me change the face of our conferences. We don't just go to conferences to talk about constitutional amendment. We go to discuss policy and programs many part of amount
And no crap the people the grassroots
24 hour policy no initiative at one na na policy do na document be any echa oba so na magusita no akoye omuni election so magusita no akocho policy dey aba but it was a policy na me feel say hwinim but e pa na ma ka check na for
but so to mabru no tim
yes to mutrim we see they so hope and that's what you need in politics.
give them hope
We'll be on hope aspirations one day knows what must satisfy and they'll join you. And the shame in Christ said 2028, we can come back to power. Because they say, Membruno, no money, sad, you know. Say, a chance in fear, 90, Debbie. One they think that you are not meeting their expectations.
Very much
They'll gang up, and they are a very powerful force.
Yes. Gen Z
Yes,
force, no,
they
they
are very, very powerful force. And the youth organizers, the women organizers, the youth groups, the women groups in here. Group says when you come on our activity. Near Pescasuma constituencies, no, the money, every free party for now, it will come in the form of dues and levies.
You are from this region. Rodney Asante, Kokos, Koma. What's been the response? Because Asante is a force. 47 constituencies. The number is huge. And on Pempi will be Enya Asante votes are.
No, correct. Ashanti controls about a quarter of the votes in the electoral college. Yes, to be in the well, if you say Obi on my more region in the meeting, I will say Anna and I'm a better channel. You Obi on my age more region will be any what I'm capable of.
Sompa FM.
And will be any said me a go getter. I mean, in Prenoa swimming for the to me, man. Don't with the partner kwa ben. To be enemy when it comes to grassroots mobilization, meaning I know what it takes. Will be enemy say me you know, I'm a pace setter. I try to, you know, better it, you know, for the party. Because I'm not only just going to manage a party, I'm going to modernize it. These are not my transfer and who say gaps and who more there are something region there. I think that Diana maybe make us a P. You will be enemy. Say me Santini, you masafu. I don't mind a politician. I don't feel the concrete. And to be only me what I'm capable of. Be only me and him say, it's my way, the man, make us share me, perform me show me in a car. If not that, I think they're going across the country. There'll be a who say, they will change the national executives. They will change them. Yeah, but sir, you know, be free region.
Okay.
What do I say? Monsieur, almost all the consultancy chairmen in the country, all of them, almost 10%. It have met virtually all of them.
I almost say executives in the best.
They will change them. That's the consensus. More beyond that, they are going to change them.
They a bad general secretary non per se free here.
Non per se free asante. What do I say? Monsieur Mwina, Monsieur Secretary, Monsieur Mwina. It will be or to be a open secretary Asante Memono. They should look at supporting me and working for me to bring the power to Asante region. And not just the region. A region, no, our voice will be heard and valued.
Sompa FM.
What I say? Yeah, because Tete say you have a tuaba na Asante be contribute to a third of the votes. Uko parliament ne 87 na aka dey 40. There's something the crap party no.
87.
Na aka no.
The whole nation.
Yes.
Asante region could have
40 MPs.
Na 16 ya chegu 47 no.
Yes. It is a wo hwe we. One of the key role as a Asante player. Many the permit me the numbers. I could J Nyuma any to me about Asante men.
That's true.
Well, I know it.
That's true.
I know the figures. And I know your strength in the party. Nobody can be a better advocate for this region than me. They know it. I want to make me any. And I'll just go and tell them these are the figures. The DNC ever talk about Kwabri East, ever topo. Kwada super topo near Mumu deputy ministers. And DNC no be free baby aba. When we sit first and the deputy minister. Nyaba Mubu. And these are things I will resolve as general secretary. It is on my baby Amadui, Sabe. In America, maybe for any radio AP.
For any radio.
Yes. Yamama do my co-parliament aid deputy minister. It is not what the party can give me.
It's now what you want to give.
Rather now what makes me I am a party. In the other party no buying abumu oma ye mu adwuma and mu supporters no buying and members.
Mami Musa we na minim say subsequent days e be din komo. There is one issue obi no yam say UG den near din UG pentokwa. How do you respond to that?
The American check the pass nipa enye machine no enye fidie. Nipa otu yen program so yen machine no. And obi ka to say e dey na see here nwatie. And the day enye bone. I'm not a bully. But when I believe in something I be boa,
You stand for
I will stand for it. I have my principles.
And no be any pan to us.
I say I know you nipa intimacy because enye bone. Say yesuma me say me kwa be ma me di Asante man ni sumi kwa ben no. Man ko bokro no. What you say? Man go gu original ni mo ase. And man wu Asante man ni mo ase.
Now sumi kwa wan go
man wu ni mo ase. E dey man obi a records man aduma man sumi ni records egu sumi a. I don't think say obi a na dwin da ho na kom da obeka say aduma ma pa di waye. Am so ban fa so am. This is the part of course. Unye ni peli nyina mo ni no kre ma. But bi oni mi bi e say one thing that me fed me agro and my principles and my name, my integrity. Meaning so dey me be my wa.
Aye.
Yes. And you see these osha and one me say natural also. E dey no man natural also.
Oh, na kuta me sisia kuku ajando.
What you say?
Me producer wafa.
Yes. Obi an say me buodu.
Baby amadu susu de mu hia kokudro.
Yes. Yeah, 2008. President Kufuor, president of Ghana. Commander in chief of the armed forces. Ojina went man ko time.
Because na Minister of Interior mo nko osuro.
2024 you were bem na Kufuor do commander in chief of the armed forces. Any for the continue man kutuku na pamu yefra bem. Inte no wasem na yeka. It is a mo akudro e boni ana. Dan ni ne and one man sana ewum.
Courage, discipline, integrity.
Yes. Say discipline my party ma dey in a di agro. Me Manchester United fan.
Na say mo bo.
Oh, yeah, baba. Na, baba do you atabi akofashe.
Hey. That's all we am say o. Amori na say o.
Baba do waso atabi akofashe.
Asa say ayi. I never walk alone.
Alex Ferguson can say be. Once you bid farewell to discipline, kiss goodbye to success.
once you bid farewell to discipline, kiss goodbye to what? Success. Or say one ma pepe
Any ahohyɛ
so antra abraboma yi nkunimdie to twene
any puntu.
any puntu to twene na unya da.
Yes. What is happening to our party? And we'll be sorry, now we'll be a radio station, and now we'll be a Facebook Live. No, dear Tem.
Chai.
What I say? And the party, is that are these the funding principles I put in editing?
Be a near Temonko. Free.
Yes.
Wait to money way, no wait to money way.
A dear party, the Constitution is so the longest article, Article 4. On disciplinary procedures. Article 4. And what's in here? It come about 5 pages and 6 pages. Yes, as we are not acting. Was a better trouble into we should say about near if you back we have Obako to Abetiano. It's the entire party. You need discipline. You forget about me. I'm telling you. And it's going to be one of my pillars as General Secretary. What I say? Let's empower them. Constitutional disciplinary committees are a set up to saying, you need an inquisition man. News I am you couldn't hear you. I am Manuko, Amanoku, the compare 2 years Ghana for. In the Ghana for say, you're matured, you're disciplined. You've been Ghana for Ghana for wants to see maturity, they want to see discipline, they want to see vision, and you're attaining.
But tire ni swadi hunu.
Yes.
Pepeye.
Any akoko to me my end. And no more here. And we are team and we are coming. And Ghana for so much.
We do we are tem we na no ya.
Yes. Eti Omanhene. Kakra be kan say enya afei na ye be gina ha abeka we obi wonu ma ye adwuma bi anim is what I stand for. And I'm not going to compromise on it. Because BBA politics numbers records. Me begin have because time assuming for the to me man, you know. In prenu am be this to me, I'm don't go about.
Yeah.
Yes. Twice I'm here parliamentary candidate. I took the party to government. It didn't be now. I'm focused on winning elections. And they hear me. The baby I'm with to me and they hear me. So be me from a party for there be. Say be tree, ye be twaba ni akaina obi di macho me na baho e di nkonti ma se be bromo ye ma mon kan.
No one is.
Ada Ghana etinwura mu ana. Enye man na etinye amna ni man ni mu ana. Ye ni nkrofo be bobo ye ho man. Eti o man. O mo enimi ni me and they know what I stand for. The case me ni e dey. I'm not violent, I'm not a bully, but I stand for what I believe in.
There's some prema who see me.
There be other things who see me. Say me see you. Aba na e koto, ye ko na e kan ye say this for win. I don't want win. Nemo se bi win na so ma me kwa ma me win dia. Say na like say o pese o mu na pese osisi me. Aha, enti no de, eno de ene ma so. But empire na yebo say party for no komo eno mu di nyina o meti na so pem. And who say yes, ye wo nipa no metima be ye ma de party ba power. It's very, very important.
Okay. The name is Eugene Boakye. Mr. Somede Boakye. Delegates need you. Minim say mum rebe so ama makwa pro. Anopai mi gidi say obia oye MPP ba mapa. Etiu. There na okay twa to akire.
Oh, they make a try to say yenko so mum pae. They say party phone pay phone in the mua. Almost flag bearers no almost ton wasem omo wie pe the 12 anyway 31st January you hope say be peaceful the air corner because them pay for no more kasenti no say eno maba from kakra iwi a be buy there na so na me show mbo no say omo ina support me entire chi fa mo me ho ban mo nyakopon pae ma me na me na meet me the partner ko power ni pa pay you mti na me ni pa meet the partner ko power obi on my edge map my grassroots mobilization, how I organize constituencies and how discipline is number one key thing. The BBA say you should forget it. I'm telling you. BBA you should forget it. He said we can go for it. You take and a driver the kaka and you say baby or the air you will take a brick or two. Musi ade ni akoka almost one kasa na fi ko to amene ma fe no master take kasa see a pre wi afi na be kasa kenya 87 seats What you say? Inti some of us at the end of the year.
Okay.
And more so, we know how to go and raise money for this party. Yeah, my is kasem how be our party no be. But be a so piscadeboa party executives are yeah, you almost one party jumano. We have to find it to help the party. No munya kwanyo majuma. Name Miss Kasem how mona me quay years and good job because I'm in this and I'm saying most of them on issues on we some opposition there as some class I say. These are normal. To be a menama me kwa pro in some in someone Nigusu make catch me man for no me party for ma say baby I do no me still all the 16 regions no me na kasa in some more can say they will change it and yes they will change the executives but I no be jano nemum omo be say e fresh anti region in Timen Koso me moment to
Honorable Eugene Boakye, Meda Asese no pay by na nyame anim ni me ne won di nkomo sei for quite some time.
I don't baba me ni be star na uncle my no me ka o my no star nkwa be mu ka na say dey no star wa pisco be na ne dia wa pisco na be ka wa pisco ba
o ka pisco na ankai me
o no be ka pa be se ko ti ko so esi
ai
wa pisco na be ka tachu
ai tachu le mo me tachu wa pisco
I prefer no ka chebe
tek so we jale go tell you kids
but of course I was be quite years for buy
ai wa pisco ba
me do why the command
I don't see one guy on my head.
Me kind of man wa pisco me ka wa pisco pa
pisco I tachu le mo and there is a crowd na lumba do bonyum
no correct
only lumba there na ma do bonyum
oh me ni ko jo fotu shia be minister no na me ni sign me yere papa be brave so
okay
and who say me papa ka so de me bonyum na me dana se ti I think say you know about be say 2 years 2 years 2023 there about
yeah
inti me ni papa me nu ampanyin no na me ne ye kasa edi komo ofon so you know
kojo for so di wura ni nyuma na je say we ni papa
o share me no pay masem
o mo obi edin keke
o share me no pay masem na de o pe bi asom ye ma no ma hwe me mpo o ba ba bi na me class o hu na so ma ne mra me ministry ho na o ba na ye di nkomo na adwuma ya me pe bi ma no e ma no be mi no asem nsakora ni ya so timi ye nti na ya be ya busuan ne sa
wonderful
na ye di an etu ana mo
I'm fan crazy.
Ye kwen se de ekosu nyina no be brase na abusuam na kogina home. Na nsem so afi ni yeti ase. Ni no boy na.
Ti see na fan 40 ase o. Eno na man ye legend.
Oh yes. Nyu no be bre. So bo ban ma wuda ho a. Ma munsu ma me o. Munsu na mo ma. Eni nchi ma me do mo jam. Oh, sorry, some of some attention. No, I mean, and I never saw for corner for at the person in the radio channel. Nina, so can you announce him?
Ebemuso.
Yes, Lumbadi or your prophet.
Yeah,
you will see a prophet.
That's right. All of you, Jemedasi. Okay, I see that. Wonderful time. Okay. Yeah, Grace. Falumba nyum no two mame. The only Obama Eugene for 2 months is here. Just a minute. Na afei. Yeah, nkoya nim. Kojo fosu. Na nkoya nim. Okay.
I feel my kind of way.
Ombeba.
Let me just say, I ain't gonna say, don't mind. Come on. Now you go. Like that's what I'm on the okay, all right. Give the guys a glass.
Okay. Already feel here by Spiritual Center. Chronom Boakye Red Park. Dr. Mankwa. na ho to say
akora nyankopɔ ado na so
bibia bɔkɔ
Omanhene Awurade ado
bibia dadi
twedi ampo nyankopɔ na
ya kunyan we ni konchen akakra bi mame na de aka ni nyina ya odia anopai be ni Dr. Manko atena se Awurade fie Herbal Center, Herbal and Spiritual Center, Boakye Red Park ehonomo and a location honowo nene owonsam bi ma mene matie for na mahwefo doc yentiu
we de Omanhene we de medo ase ma de watifo no wahwefo nso ase em say last year as e shia kakra wo iho
shia kakra so
swami
yeah
na nso de be de otwedi ampo nyankopɔ ase say Awurade nso aye na dum ne humobro ne Dr. Manko amasa bi pimo Sompa ye ba ya na se nye bibia e dawuro ne yebo se bi otwedi ampo nyankopɔ de ade e chewo na wa ne na dia ya na wasaji firu nsem obaje firu nsem so Dr. Manko ameka say mini ba bia ya so ye wo Krono Boakye Red Park Kumase Krono Boakye Red Park wo de o frɛ number wo ya on sabe ka me de number na itudwa na wi am wonsem pa me de be mamo number na 0241 09 39 15 0241 09 39 15 and 0549 20 66 33 o de Dr. Manko e wo Krono Boakye o de o fa ka wo Kumase a wo su besi Krono ubesi wo U10 so atwoma kwa amaro abang na nim ho usi across kwa no pragia fo bi gina ho o de busa so pe Boakye taxi station ko taxi for no a do be kan so kwa Awurade fie o be ka so ho na ayaresa wo akra ya trasi de na me kasa fati ade ho because da bia me kasa trade ya esikukurumutie untimi nsa ho mopo ma ne nyeye obetuma konya nkwanhia ne na abete obetena ase ne nsa bete obetena ase ba uni titi a ontimi ntena ase enti mpanumfo so wanya wutia didim na that mean say wanya nkwano no entimi wa duro wanwaso Dr. Manko Kumase me de gi amanfo fiti ade krankro mu eye krankro ho ase na meka enye se obi o se miti na me no mpale koda bi ti yade a de wa ya enko da bia mkase wo ye Herbal and Spiritual wo ba na se bibi na ta akira e ba mo akwankyere obeya amena yiye ye ho da bia meka se de ne ye ka da lumba asem no osu nim ya ye me hwe ne jansem keka ye ho ye nkeka nsem mo ba yiye ho ba ye trase se china ya wada me trase a ye cancer ye be cancer we cancer ni wi a na ya resa ne to aso wo ba cancer ni ye free machine de ye nhwemu bia so ye free ye ntueska bia ho na mo ye nya hu ya de ni wi na se me ma wo nodi a ene da ase brand ye mesre me ka obetuesika ni ahwew na so afa antoma pafra enti etire hu yade etire hu asema meka no obu a wotiem sesi wose ni tifadwa ni gagagaw obu wotiem sesi wose ni mama so hyehye no obu wose mitrim hyehye me obu a wotiem wose asa bibi ni na mitrim obu wose mitrim ma dududu asa bibi pem mitrim mu saa obu wose miti yade ne ba mama ni so wo me ti yade ni ntimi hwa ade a mi hu ni ye ti yade ni ntim o hwa light na rombo ato o mani ho ti yade ni nti wose me de mani bua no kra de foma ya me ten utie me atie na kama to yam because da bia me kase wo tie ade hu aduro nwanwaso e wo Awurade fie Herbal Center ya wo mo tie me de akra me se ma wo se me bati ma bo no ho kase $100 million en fara me mfa no nkwa bo ba Awurade fie Herbal Center no me kase otwedi ampo Nyankopon animunyam se papa no wo so da bia nkwa pa aduro de breme wono kwa me kase wo difo a wo ye e fan se so de sofo no bi wase minimu nro asuma ya me bani tini nkoma bo ho ka bo ba Awurade fie Herbal Center no me se apatrebe odi bi ba no de abeche me nya se bia ka duanum obi timba gye adurom bi wo twen ya bonse ne moja sufia start na firi ni sabi owo adidi facha me na firi ni hwenu mu ba aduro na no oden ya duro ne ya pada ne ya twen because mpanfo se kan ni ana aka hwene enti ya twen aduanu fa etrim na ekọ utrim a unya twefa hwene ekọ utrim a ebesa ba ye wani so adwuma enti aduro no wa wutiem sesi obi wo se nka wo manum wakasa obi ntumi meno wakasa na nka eba oya no animguaso wo se ni pantwitwitwiniti ko akoma to yam uri saa yade na akọ awo so ache wanu num ndo ni ade ebisi wo yam kan nyina ehu asem ensem na adansem uri Awurade fie Herbal Center bagi aduro ni bi na di adanse mesi na obi o pizza me ko yire pasa na me ka aduro no ho asem ena oba o se na do ko ba last week fa biblia me ɛna o me kan ne bo no so metua na yade wa ha ma che me ma na duro beje me kasa wie no ono asa ba se dog hwe mugya sufia na firi ni mu ba no se na ade na sisi ni tirim na nyina papa ye wo tie mi ade ya wo de brawlade fie ba center obu won so akora ntene de ho no ye herbal and spiritual center no wo ba ho na se ye bibi na ekoso a ye de ye nkasa obi na yo na aba bi na ye de abo ye be mu akwankyere firi twodua mpo nyankopon ho ko honhom ne de e ma nkwa wo abewisu honam nko ade obewu ko po se honam mfam nko ade owisu abewu na abewu ba honhom mfam de manipa nyankwa entu ba awurade fie herbal and spiritual enti ne o frɛ awurade fie no ye dwumadi adi no obaka se ho ya asɔ dem so nya asɔ dem e ya sabia eno ya trans brada o mom ba ye wo ba me se matade normal wa ma sempa bo wo sem kote adu me wa kote adu enti ho no se emfa adu ni twitwu ade betwitwu sa wo de sa de besa wo no a wo nom wo sra yentetu abetetew yempuru bi abepunu bi ena sabio sa duro no so de tua wo de betua enti ho de ya bibiduro fie krogen yensi ebesi amawo ye yama mawo posa ya ho no nyase bia ya se eba obekwa heba center bi wa anu anu ya da bi aduro bo se wo kanehye na ho odene aba obi oba awurade fie ba center wo wutie mi na de ya de bi krankro bi da so no kwa koma to yam ne fie ndia ne pono abua ma obia enka ne wom wa ahokyire mu enka ne wom bibi o mani da so nyina ayira akranya no nso nko ne ye obu osema brabo ma ye de ama no de tutum ka bla awurade fie ba center ya de bi ada so ache ye ho no obi stroke ba ye ho a itimi twa dua so obi nsam so da na pagya na gina ho ye nsankyere ne de wo ho enye se bia ye ka ye akukuduro tumi ni ahode nyankopɔ de ama ne enso ye de kasa enti so wa wutiem ya de bia so ye honhom because me nkasa yade owe yade akwa akwada bi ye na ni mu akwa na o wa sori fie no na nipa nyina nim se ni mu na akwa yesu si we na obonsam akyekyere ni mfinhia du nwotwe ni mu na antri ni mu tren so enti yade de e ye honhom na ye ka enti ho de honhom de me de meka ho asem da bia enti so wutiem na yade bo anu maduru anu na nkwa o de abrawari fie ba center bra be so ehwe na wo se tumi ni ahode wa awurade fie e kyan ya wada entrance kase kase ekoso dendenden o ba so screen ekoso dendenden ni nyina ye free ye be chew ba wo wie na se de ofise ye de no magu akwan na apese ye boa wo de a ene mpanimfo se enkwate adurumra no ane haban ene mpanimfo so pinche nso ana ate se koto obowa ene apusu nunum so ana ate ne kankan enti kina ya wada de doctor akrame trase wo de bra one and one bibi kwaso na wonte ase abra wo ba ho na bo say yes twodiam po nyankopon no odi nyuma wa me de number na itudwa number na 0241 09 39 15 0241 39 15 and 0549 20 66 33 akwam ho no obi ba me man aduro eposa aduro man odware aduro ma spirit no ne kwan ho no nipa no otiem sesi a oke wo sesi a otiem obe ware na ne kwan ho no oba wona ma sesi wonya 44 obe ware nso na agba abusua kwanma no ma ekoso ba ye nka ho nsam nche odi aduro koposa oposa aduro odware wo se na dwene da watum se na punu ni bie ebie ya no sori se na ne fie gate ni se no kado ni da no ade ache na ne kon na ayira ye kase obo ba kase bia kasa tumi ni ahode wo haban mu me nka abosom sem me ka haban sem obo ade nyankopon nu masem because ka Genesis chapter 1 verse 11 now wo so ade nanu nsam na frefre baaye enti hama na ya titin ya urade asem enti obi kɔ hospital na nya so ko duya for kope abibiduro na ye ena no so patch so o kire so bra urade asem no ho enti u tiem sesi a na so ya bema na ma asem wo fom a o de bra urade fie ba center ye wa drobu ya friend say I dedel powder o be ma dedel powder ni bi ene ye won nua bi won so friend dua di twa opa bi a o be se bi ama na de akwa akonom na otimi awoso untimi mpem eba mo apem obu won so ono so nani di agro no na emom ne sika na akwa akobɔbuo bi no ama ano akum meka wa beto betimase so akodi mpem agro no so anya yade bɔne a obu okra meka so asintokra bedam be ma no medwo nso ana nso fifiri ho ba medwo nso ana na ayibi nso fita bi firi mbe ma no mu eba obu osema akɔ private area machima wie nkra na nso fita e de eba utiem na se officer baba so ran for na ye wa ɛhɔ na Omanhene Yaw aduro wa wo pese ade bitete wa de betetew ukofo ba kra baba so wono so a ebi nyaw ekra ye wobi wa ye de tete enti wo tiem na so office gunori bia ye se fresh bia otumika bla bla fie ba center akra ye wo mfidie nyina wo ho apeso ye nhwehmu bia na wo ba be ya amawo na ye nhwehmu so nyankopon adum aduro bebre wo ho se man na ma moya de edi ankasa mini ho aduro abra ne tiawa wo tiem wo aduro we friend air condition ya meka ne so obi a se osa ya wo bra me de ma onum ye na na ye ma onyunyunu wo tiem so na so wo de wo tiem se sia wonya sugar ye wo aduro e sha bottle ba ko ma onum ye na o sugar no level na ba be to from pepepepepe enti me the number ni tuja me be sore ebra na so awie number na 0241
09 39
15
0241
09
39
15 and 0549 20 66 33 me see any baby okunu mbosie red park ho ne ebutu edi edwuma wo tie de wo ya ade bia wo so ade freme ya bre ne etia wanti ne yesore enti wo ya ade bi wo ho na wakwa na ntimi nkwa wo de freme dua ne abo ade bia wo de freme wo freme a mefa na no wakasa abotre kwa so ni a kire kwa no aba oba ho na bo se tumi ni ahode wo e wo awrade fie ba center enti waso ano so abla bra na awrade nso e wo awrade di mu nti amen
Dr. Mankwa na mote ne nka no e wo awrade fie Herbal and Spiritual Center na wa friend number no 0241 093915 0241 093915 for 0241 093915 Javira Bank PLC AL Papa Loan AL Sempa Loan AL Savings Current Account Fixed Deposit Microfinance Susu Shares now pesa water 50 pesos ana da chinti ye mofra no enhyehyeye Asempa Loan na 10 partial na ya ma loan na wo de kwakodi udwuma obehu yen ewo Japan headquarters ejoso onwe fumesa bonwire sepetimpo Roman Hill de Shemai New Road Pankrono any aboas so Sam Radio ya bie new branch cry wa Tonsu Market High School Junction Hope 0544 745856 0544 745856 Oyini adazua amesa any woman of faith and Elton Safre Ghana menina we a second annual national conference Ebaso ewo KNUST Business School Auditorium block D na enyasem ketwa kra the Lord definitely is our victorious banner ya tonsa afre Prophet Amofenchi Henry PSA Esther Abna Ponsa Prophet Pa Apostle General Moses Osei Minister IBJ Minister Audrey Japan 8th November KNUST Business School Auditorium Block D Ampaye Beja Radiamani Yena Basa ni tumi bede disronko second annual national conference no theme no ye my time of fruitfulness na chese bra na Eurade emfa na basa ni nsanto so ne koso aba ye funu adwuma sem bibi biara no the second annual national conference is coming off now it's hosted by Mrs. Genevieve Abrefa Yeboa we did 10 oh he need others one dey baby anamboa eno anwa na afibia sompa e de si wo say afini kwa we ya e de sompa che de ba kunafo ene woni bie ene wusianom e ti say wo ntoma wo mo cooking oil tomato paste num ne edie num ne ade nyina obetumi de aba afei say sika and our person would be 059 8559 802 059 8559 802 Terawan Media and our Blazer Foster Momo no or Sunday Beba 21st clinic them here Fabra now me come for 21st clinic the amount say We are expert in sciatica. Eba sciatica yade ya kwadare mu pa. Pains free waist no sania ko kan nantri na kan ye be ye free hono ma ho ato kama. Bomodina ne bra na yenhwe lab ne scan service machine treatment no mini nro ya bibidro kan frey 0540311311 0540311311 time herbal mixture for loss of appetite, for malaria, bodily pains. Time herbal mixture, time HH mixture. Say untumi nyunso ye immune system will form me nyare so mentia po pastoral grow ni nyina wo bra for 0244 417 669. Call any shop aye ton herbal draw and a pharmacy also per time herbal mixture. A 3D yard and because 0244 417 669. 3 herbal center cocoa draw tatashi. Bobo modena enya bia US pains ashikoko nase and sama we so team Kolinak Dani Apidank any misty eba obenya biato cocoa drone de and one day 3A cocoa capsules the cocoa master Frey 0546107107 Kenjin and magic drinking water and sukroji abujunsi obiaji atumu 8.5 pH obia be catch say no munsia 8.5 pH and I alkaline base now be the dance say wo ho den anopa wi anwumre juma my heart to me function well your liver your kidney your intestine your pancreas organs ni nyina gina brani san say one no munsia back to base and back to origin insua wo moja mu no ene insua na moja na mu no alkaline etimani to me juma kama rich minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron. And it's anopai, bomodina. So we benya kenjin and magic drinking water. We will be our yam tintimpa nom. We will be also a drone now nom. Pressure. Nina, all the fenshui nom. Now be dear dancers with time no. Ubeja drone nom. Fred 0241 449191 0241 449191. Kingdom Herbal Center. Your drug lane. Eyo kaishi all leading pharmacy shops na no benya ye no ni biato tremendous capsules is your back kama infections free up e man menstrual cycle so gina brane afa kingdom ginseng power ba bema CPC taman ho ya de wompem stress eniema bia e ma bema ntimi nya hoden sisi yade ne ade nyina da ebe ye free ho na kingdom garlic so immune booster kese stress ebe free ho so koda na bi da so a arthritis nkotoje wonhonom ne onompemu osaye titriti hypertension pressure say wosro kingdom garlic capsules and bitters ebe boaw yen and 50 years ago ye the garlic bitters edi kind in the capsules ba Ghana obi antumi yen frey 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 ne papa mu no sa enetie afei twitwiri osi Yaw toothpaste, Yaw toothbrush, Yaw toothpaste, Yaw toothbrush, Yaw toothpaste, Yaw toothbrush. It comes in 3 variants: Total Care toothpaste, whitening toothpaste, and a herbal toothpaste. Total Care prevent moa ema tokro bedi da osim ema kakaba ne ma niema hyehyɛ wo se ase ne nkanka no white no ma wo so ye fita afei herbal no so ma wo strong tea ye wo brush we say prince princess monarch duke duchess and all other kiddie brushes. When it comes to pasting time, Yaw toothpaste, Yaw toothbrush na ye ko ye nim na bibia aye kama wo bi di na wo dan ne and ne Mami Nyako of St. Anne's Anglican Church, Ashtown. And there was happy birthday to you, Mami Nyako, St. Anne's Anglican Church, Ashtown. Unianum o mame o mani nyinano, abusiani nyina. So mama otrinkwa. Happy birthday to you, Mami Nyako. A beautiful wife, Erama Usua of UK. This is from your husband, Chronicle Kofi Boakye Jr. of UK. Okay, Kofi. Who can you offer pa? A Ramo Usua, beautiful. More UK on. Okay. Yati. Chronicles Boakye, UK. That's your wife. A Rama Usua. Okay. Brian Today is your birthday from your mother Erica of OA Travel and Tours. Happy birthday to Bryna, baby girl. Happy birthday to you. So beautiful. Happy baby. Officer Abrefi of Kumasi Central Prison. And I was that. Yamautrimka. Way free Rexford Hall. And Eba Officer Abrefi. Nana J, a member, MPP Communication Team. Hey. Tim Coker. Wow. From Sompa Morning Show crew. We wish you all the best, Nana J. Happy birthday to you. And then Salam Safura. Ukunu Mohammed Hadi of Seshi. Osei Kojo Krom Mautrimka. Salam Safura. And Ma Millicent Danso Mensa. Or Church of Pentecost. FEP Assembly from your daughter Nanaya. Ma Millicent Danso Mensa. Have a precious poma of Yini Chireyaso. And then your birthday from Kwame Gentle and Berimo Drew to you. Precious poma. Benedict Adujamfi of Bibiani. Berimo Drew of he says happy birthday to you. And a special birthday to my sweet wife, Mrs. Sophia Uswe Champon. From your husband, K of Bremine. Corporal Nancy Akosia Jekuma of Sofoline MTTD. Corporal Akosia Jekuma. Sofoline MTTD. This is coming from Yaw Buama Sompa. A lovely wife, Nana Mchiwa Efia Otosumienu. Nana Mchiwa Afra. Intenia Hima of Asante Bekwai. Intenia Hima. Nana Mchiwa Afra Otosumienu. Intenia Hima of Asante Bekwai. Ukunu Honorable Emmanuel Dede Apia, former DC of Amansia Central, is wishing you a beautiful, blessed birthday. Ophelia Amia, today is your birthday from Akosia Depa to you, Ophelia Amia. And then Nana of Aguna Swedro, this is coming from Ember Powers of Sompa Sports. Nana of Aguna Swedro. Abusia for memory naso. Medibesi ha. Kawase mo said then ke enimu ejebat mfa nche ye.
Sompa FM.
Ehwa be hia. Yemfa agudie nsem no emra. Ene yeda mo asi semo ne yetra. Aguna Swedro. Abusia for